If you want to sound more fluent and confident and stop translating in your head, then keep watching. You may be thinking that even though you know the grammar, why you freeze while speaking, and how native speakers answer so fluently and quickly. Then this video is for you. I'm going to share with you 5 categories: opinions, reasons, life experiences, conclusions, and examples. 5 main patterns which you can use in IELTS speaking test to score higher. Even you can use this in everyday conversation. So let's jump right in. So the number one category is giving opinions. There are different ways you can use to give opinions. Like, for example, the way I see it. The way I see it, online education is becoming more effective than traditional classrooms. The second way is, if you ask me, the key issue is. If you ask me, the key issue is lack of awareness about healthy lifestyle. Number 3 is, in my opinion, it comes down to the fact. In my opinion, it comes down to the fact that people don't manage their time well. Number 4 is, personally speaking, I believe that. Personally speaking, I believe that technology has made life more convenient. Number 5 is, from my point of view. From my point of view, public transport should be improved in big cities. Category number 2 is giving reasons. So you can use different ways to give reasons. Like, for example, I would say it's mainly down to I would say it's mainly down to poor planning. Number 2 is, this is largely because people rely too much on their phones. Number 3 is, one of the main reasons is that education is expensive. Number 4 is, it can be explained by the fact that jobs are limited. Number 5 is, the primary cause is lack of discipline. Category number 3 is giving examples. So you can, instead of saying for example, you can use different ways. Like, number 1 is for instance. For instance, many students learn online these days. Number 2 is, a good example of this is remote working. To illustrate this, people order food through apps. Number 4 is take. You can add something as an example. Take social media as an example that connects people worldwide. Number 5 is such as many skills such as communication and teamwork are important. Category number 4 is life experiences. So when you are talking about life experiences, you can use these phrases. Number 1 is, from my personal experience. From my personal experience, traveling teaches independence. I once went through a situation when I once went through a situation when I had to manage everything alone. Over the years, I have learned that I have learned that patience is essential. When I was younger, I used to spend a lot of time outdoors. So now comes to the last category, making conclusions. You can learn these patterns to talk about conclusions. Number 1 is to sum up. To sum up, technology has both advantages and disadvantages. Number 2 is in the long run. In the long run. In the long run, education improves society. Number three is overall, I would say that exercise is essential for health. Number four is all things considered. All things considered, working from home is beneficial. And the last one is in conclusion. In conclusion, teamwork leads to better results. So I hope you like all these patterns and you will learn these patterns for your IELTS exam. You can also use these patterns for everyday conversation. Which pattern you like most? Tell me in the comments. See you in the next video.